Hi, I'm Dr. Rajani. Thanks for joining me for Raji's Quick Clip. Today we're talking brow lift. So many people want to know about it. I was asked on this channel, hey, can you do a quick video of just the Botox brow lift? The reason is a lot of times I'm talking about the temple with it, adding PDO threads to it, doing micro needling and high frequency ultrasound and radio frequency to also help lift. The reason is most people come see me, they want dramatic. They don't come see me for subtle. They can get subtle at home. They can get subtle elsewhere. So I'm used to doing combination procedures for it. Today I'm going to show you injections of the simplistic, I use that term loosely. Nothing's really simple when you're changing shape, when you're changing symmetry, when you're adding a drug to the body, but the basic, we'll use the term basic brow lift. We're going to go to the injections. It's a Raji's Quickie. I've been struggling to do them in under 3 minutes, which is my goal for these, but we're going to do it today in 3 seconds. Okay, so the brow lift, I'm going to get to the injections, but understanding what neuromodulators like Botox, Dysport, Xeomin, and jeuveau in this country do, they stop muscle movements. There's other ones labeled in other countries, and we hear from our international people. We love it. So in the comments section, let us know your favorite. They all work the same way in terms they slow muscle movement down. The classic is patients come in and they say, inject me here, I want my brow lift. That's going to lower you. The frontalis lifts. So I'm going to show you the injections of the classic brow lift, understanding that there are other things you can do. We're slowing the muscle movement down, so we have to target the orbicularis oculi, a complex circular concentric muscle. And the downward pull is at the edge. So from the injections here, you can see all neuromodulators are mixed. We're using a liquid and we're injecting it laterally to catch the downward fibers of that muscle that encircles the eye. Some people will be intermuscular. Many of us are more superficial to avoid bruising, and it works well. Some areas you need to be in the muscle. And then we hold pressure and we avoid bruising. But that, if you want the most basic terms and you're going in to spend under $100 and you want a brow lift, would be your injection points. Understand that we want to keep the lift or the forehead. We want to stop the frown or the pull down. So the next step would be also the most common area to inject, which is, of course, the frown or the glabellar complex, because that also pushes down. And then, of course, the next step, you can watch my other videos on the complexities of the orbicularis oculi, in that there's 3 sections: the tarsal portion, which is on the lid, the septal, which is just above it, and then, of course, we get to the orbicular part. And you can manipulate those to stop downward pull to get a mid-brow lift. And sometimes people, to avoid spocking, watch my video on the Spock brow, need to have some of the forehead so they don't crank up in a Spock-like fashion. That's it. Raji's Quickie, the basic brow lift. Let me know, what do you like having done in the comments? Join us, subscribe, click like to keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.